Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to use referral code in Shein app. First we go to our app and then for example we're buying a product. So we just scroll it down and for example we're going to buy this bag and we're going to add to cart and then we go to our cart. So from here we click the checkout button and then there you go. After scrolling down we can see this apply coupon and gift card. So choose apply coupon and then there you go. We can copy paste the referral code that you sent to us and we apply this, then you're all set.